immunized, and then because they're immunized, they're not going to be cripples, because the disease of polio is paralysis of the legs, and everybody becomes cripples.
Yeah.
So can you imagine how that helped all the children of the world? Really?
Yeah, but it's sad because you said 3 countries. Now it's 4 because in the Philippines we have the resurgence.
Yeah. No, but you know, the plan was to have each country have its own national immunization day, so that if each country will do that, there will come a time when all the countries will be immunization free, will be already free from polio. Now, because of Dr. Juan Flavier was the one who spearheaded the immunization program here in the Philippines. Now, when I reported in 1984 to the Rotary that polio project here in the Philippines was able to immunize 80% of the 6 million children, everybody thought it was a great idea. I mean, not a great idea, but the 80% is a great accomplishment already. But